Hello to my broad viewing audience and fans who are watching from around the world. My name is Max Kerr and the date is Monday, April 17th, 2023. And today I'm going to be showing you all how to clean your iPhone properly. Today I'm using our thank you to our sponsor, Care Touch cleaning wipes. There you go. So first step is to open the packaging, and then you take out the wipe, and then you discard the packaging. Open the wipe, and then you wipe your phone on the back side. Then you turn it over, and you wipe it on the front side. And you make sure it's nice and clean. No fingerprints. None whatsoever. And then you are done when your phone is clean. And that is how you clean your iPhone properly. Thank you for watching.